In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a Doordash gift card. Now, the first thing that we want to do is open up the application, and then we will click on Me in the bottom right corner. Now, from here, you should see an option called Settings next to Try Dash Pass. Just click on Settings. And from here, you will see a section called Payment. Click on Payment. And now, at the bottom, you can read Redeem Gift Card. If we click on Redeem Gift Card, it's going to ask us for the gift card PIN, so we can copy and paste or type our gift card PIN here on Doordash. And after we have typed out the PIN, we can select Redeem to your account, and this is going to redeem your Doordash gift card, and it's going to add it to your balance. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.